What we're doing today is repairing all the stuff to go on the engine on this FR9 to go into Marcus Ambrose vintage race car here. Got all the lines on it, got all the filters in it ready to go in, stuff you got to put in before you actually set the engine in. If y'all didn't know, Tim actually worked on this particular car putting these engines in. You all right over there?
Hey.
We need to get you an oxygen
Oh,
mask.
it's been a while since I've done this.
We need to get you an oxygen mask. Tim worked on putting these engines in on the race team, not for the Ambrose win, but in later years of the life of the race car. So we actually have somebody that knows what they're doing. One more. Oh, about right.